Welcome back to the ultimate DIY backyard makeover. In part 1 we refreshed our spa area to create a backyard oasis to envy. Today we're moving on to a bigger project and an even bigger transformation. You won't want to miss the end result. Hey everyone, it's Kyle here. This area was originally covered with concrete pavers and had a small garden when it was first installed. And I promise you, it did look amazing when it was brand new. We don't have a photo of it, but we do have a render of what it used to look like. And it's been created by one of our expert artists. I'm just kidding. Okay, over time though, it did become overtaken by weeds. And the drainage did become a major issue. Grass was growing through the pavers, becoming an absolute mess and maintenance nightmare. We only installed surface drainage, and since the area is mostly in the shade, it stayed damp and dark, which is the perfect environment for mold. So we decided to lift up the pavers, remove them, and prepare for a new exposed aggregate concrete path, but also to install subsurface drainage. We brought in a professional concreting team to lay some exposed aggregate concrete, which will not only look amazing, but will also provide a durable, low-maintenance surface for this area. Before the concrete can be poured, it's important to have everything prepped properly. We marked out the area with the concrete team, and they took it from here. They started up by setting up the formwork, making sure that the levels were correct, and then they were ready to pour. The concreting process was fast. It required a lot of precision, and watching the professionals at work is a great reminder of the skills that go into creating a high quality finish. To ensure this area stays dry and problem-free, we've installed ag pipe, and it's here between the concrete and the fence. And we've got a layer of decorative rocks over the top. So now we're ready to install some DECKO green wall panels. And we're going to be using two different types of panels. One smaller one, Arborea, and a larger one, which is Amazonia. And we're going to blend these together throughout the wall. But we're going to start on one side on the post, and then we're going to move our way across and continue the rest of the wall. We're going to have some offcuts on one side and down the bottom, which will be fine because we can just use some scissors to cut those. And then we are also going to blend these at the end. Now these panels look absolutely stunning, and when they're on the wall, they will look amazing on this concrete path and will really lift that vibe and make it look like $1,000,000. As we did in our last video, we'll be installing a thin layer of landscape fabric to block any of that light and hide that fence. Just a side note, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you like and subscribe and check out some of our other videos. All right, back to the video. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to do some blending. We're going to blend this part of the wall across so it just sort of has a seamless finish. We've blended it across, and all we've done is we've just taken some pieces some of those offcuts, and we've just added them in here and clipped them in, and it's just given this nice area a nice blending across. So it looks great, and it's just a helpful tip for what you could do to enhance that whole look that you're going for. Okay, so you guys can head to deckohub.com to find out more about these great products, these green wall panels, our decking tiles, and heaps more. All right, we've taken this place from this to this, and it looks amazing. And we've got one more in our Ultimate DIY Backyard Makeover series. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.